All right, here it is. This is the Mustang that I purchased on eBay that was wrecked right here in the front section. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to kind of give you a little walk around here to the back so that you kind of get a little look what it looks like here. Go ahead and go to the inside. We're going to do a startup video. Now this car right here, this car is a 6-cylinder car. We'll go to the inside. Do a first crank. Okay, well that's it for the video. I just wanted to go ahead and show you how well that exhaust system that I did on this car. This is a custom exhaust system that I made, all with just tubing that I purchased over at O'Reilly's. But that's what it sounds like. That's the 3.7 liter V6 in a 2013 Ford Mustang. But I want you to go ahead, hit that subscribe, like, comment, and share button. If you have any questions or everything you see in the video, just hit up in the comment section. Thanks for liking the video if you did, and go ahead and subscribe.